I had a couple minutes to put together a little planner for Easter, and I wanted to show it to you and just talk about what I have done with this planner. So I've got this sweet little planner that someone made a few years ago. Actually, it's held up really well. It's just made from old logs that they'd cut down, and they were making planners to sell, and I bought one and I have really enjoyed it. I think it's always very classy looking. You can do succulents in it, you can do flowers, really you could put herbs in it, you could do really just about anything. And I just love that look of it, that natural look. I'm starting with the Coast of Maine Bar Harbor blend because soil is the most important part of your planter. You have to give your plants a good foundation in order for them to grow, and it has all these wonderful nutrients already mixed in it. It has compost in it, lots of just really good things that your plants need to grow. So this planter is going to be mainly a shade planter. I've got my beacon silver here, I've got some silver falls, a non-stop begonia, I've got my euphoric white euphorbia, and the sparkler cherry double impatient here. And this one does take sun, but I have used it in containers several times with shade plants and it's done really well. So I'm gonna mix that in as a filler. I've got my colorful little Easter egg picks here and this sweet little moss looking green bunny to add in to make my planter look all Eastery. Okay, so I've got my thrillers right here. This one's gonna go upright some too. I've got this kind of filler mixed in that is also gonna trail. And I've got my silver falls here, the dichondra, that's also gonna trail out of the planter. So I have my thriller, filler, and spiller. Now I'm gonna add in the little Easter extras that I've got for this planter. Look how sweet this planter is. Perfect for Easter, perfect to display. And then as the season goes, I can change out the picks in the bunny and add something different in. So I just want to encourage you to try adding in some fun little things like the bunny and the Easter picks. Just to add a little texture and a little fun to your planter. There's so many cool things you can add to this. Some of this was bought at the dollar store, and then the little bunny was found at Hobby Lobby. So the Dollar Tree, the dollar store, Hobby Lobby, all those places, all the craft stores have just really interesting things that you can add in, and you can even change them out seasonally.